Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you integration by parts. Let us start the topic. Integration by parts. The formula is integration of UdV equals to UV minus integration of VdU. So let us apply this formula to solve this problem. Evaluate integration x e to the power x dx. In order to evaluate this integral, we have to separate the functions given here as u and dv. In order to choose u, we have to use this formula I L A T E. Here I stands for inverse function. If inverse function is here, we have to take for u. If there is no inverse function in this expression, let us proceed for L. L stands for logarithm function. Here there is no logarithm function, so let us proceed for a algebraic function. So let us take u equals to x, implies du is equal to dx. After choosing u, we have to find du. Then the remaining factor e to the power x dx is equal to dv. So we are taking dv is equal to e to the power x dx. This implies v is equal to e to the power x. So the integral which is given to us, it is equals to u dv. Now let us apply this formula, which is equals to uv minus integration of v du. This is again equals to the value of u is x here. We have to write, then v is e to the power x. Minus integration, v is e to the power x, du is dx. So this is equals to x e to the power x minus integration of e to the power x is e to the power x plus c. C is called constant for integration. So integration x e to the power x dx is equal to x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. Next question. Evaluate integration ln x dx. Ln x dx. For this integration, put u is equal to. So now let us apply this formula. No inverse function. Logarithm function is here. So we take ln x. This implies du is equal to 1 by x dx. So now choosing u is equal to ln x, we get du is equal to 1 by x dx. Then dv is equal to dx. So this gives us v is equal to x. So the given integral is equals to u dv. Now applying the formula uv minus integration of v du. So which is equals to, now u is ln x, v is x minus integration of x du is 1 by x dx. So this is equals to x ln x minus integration of dx, which is equal to x ln x minus x plus c. So integration of ln x dx is equal to x ln x minus x plus c. Now let us proceed for the next question. evaluate integration x sin x dx. So in order to evaluate this integral, put u is equal to let no inverse function, no Lagrangian function, algebraic function is x. So du is equal to dx. Then dv is equal to sin x dx, from which we get v is equal to integration of sin x is minus cos x. So this problem, which is given cos is equals to u dv, which is equals to uv minus integration of v du. This is equals to u is x, v is minus cos x minus integration of v du. Du is dx. So this is equals to minus x cos x plus integration of cos x dx, which is equals to minus x cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So our third problem is also solved. In this case, we have taken u is equal to x, so that du is equal to dx. Then dv is equal to sin x dx. Integration of dv is v, which is equal to minus cos x, because integration of sin x is minus cos x. So now the given integral is equals to u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du, which is equal to u is x here, dv is minus cos x minus integration of v minus cos x du is dx. So this is minus x cos x plus integration of cos x dx. X cos x, integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So let us proceed for the next problem. Our next question is evaluate tan inverse x dx. So in order to solve this problem, put u is equal to inverse function is tan inverse x. So du is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now dv is equal to dx. This implies v is equal to x. So the question is equals to u dv. This is equals to uv minus integration of v du. This is equals to tan inverse x into x minus x into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this is equals to x into tan inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square dx. In order to integrate this one, put z is equal to 1 plus x square. Dz is equal to 2x dx. So then dz by 2 is equal to x dx. So we are taking z is equal to 1 plus x square. Dz is equal to 2x dx. Here x dx is here in the numerator. So dz by 2 is equal to x dx. So this is equals to x tan inverse x minus integration dz by 2 by z, which is equal to x tan inverse x 1 by 2. This is equals to x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 ln of 1 plus x square plus c. Answer. So here we have to integrate tan inverse x dx. In order to integrate this integral, let us take u is equal to tan inverse x. Then du is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Next, dv is equal to dx, by which we get b is equal to x. Now the integral is equal to integration u dv, which is uv minus integration of v du. Now putting the values, after simplification we get x tan inverse x minus integration of x by 1 plus x square dx. So here, in order to solve this integral, put z is equal to 1 plus x square. Then dz is equal to 2x dx. So dz by 2 is equal to x dx. Now this becomes dz by 2 by z. Taking half common, this is ln z. Z is equal to 1 plus x square. So the final answer is x tan inverse x minus half ln 1 plus x square plus c. Now, question number 5. Evaluate x ln x dx. So, put u is equal to ln x. This gives us du is equal to 1 by x dx. Then dv is equal to x dx. So this v is equal to x square by 2. So the given integral is u dv. This is u and this with dx is dv. So this is uv minus integration of v du. Now u is ln x, v is x square by 2 minus x square by 2, du is 1 by x dx. So this is equals to x square by 2 ln x minus 1 by 2 x dx. This is x square by 2 ln x minus 1 by 2. This integration x square by 2 plus c, which is x square by 2 ln x minus 1 by 4x square plus c. So here we have to integrate x ln x. Put u is equal to ln x, du is equal to 1 by x dx. dv is equal to x dx, so v is x square by 2. Now the integration is equals to u dv, which is equal to uv minus integration of v du. Now putting the values, after simplification we get x square by 2 ln x minus 1 by 4 x square plus c. With this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.